today we have to see the concept of list in Python programming. List means collection of data of different data types. Like we have declare string, float, integer, like many data types we are able to declare inside the list. We are able to access the data in list using index values. We are having a positive index and a negative index. We can use either positive or negative index to access the data in the list. Okay. First, the elements in the list are enclosed within square brackets. And if you declare strings inside the list, it must be enclosed with the double brackets. Okay. In given program, we are declared a list in all the days in a week. All the days in a week. The first statement, we are print the list from the index number 3. Okay, the index number 3. The positive index start from 0 to the first element is 0, next to 1. Like that, we have to start the index in positive. The last element in the positive index, the last number is n minus 1. We end with the n minus 1. In negative index, it starts with the minus 1 from the last point. Minus 1, minus 2, like that we have to start the negative index. In the first segment, we have declared the list, named list of all the days in a week. Sunday, starting from Sunday to Saturday. The index value of positive is in Sunday the positive index is 0, Monday 1, Tuesday 2, like that all the index came. In negative index we are came from back side. Saturday is minus 1, Friday minus 2, Thursday minus 3, like that. In the second line we have print the list from third index. In third index 0, 1, Sunday is 0, Monday 1, Tuesday 2. The third index is 3, Wednesday. Wednesday is the third index. So the program print from the Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. The first statement prints Wednesday to Saturday. In the third statement we have print the entire list. So it prints from Sunday to Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. In the fourth statement, we have print the list from first index to fifth index. If you have given fifth index, it takes n minus 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So it prints from 1 to fourth index. First index is 0 index is Sunday. First index is Monday. So it starts from Monday. Okay. So it starts from Monday, Tuesday. 1, 2, 3, 4. It prints till Thursday because positive index came from n minus 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So it print up to Thursday. In the fifth statement, we are print from. If we didn't give any values in the first before the colon, so it start from zeroth index. So it print from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 4, we have given 4, so it takes n minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So it print till Wednesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So it print till Wednesday. In the sixth statement, we have reversed the entire list. We are using reverse function to reverse the entire list. So we are given list and gave dot operator. Then we have gave reverse function. The reverse function reverse the entire list. So list dot reverse we are given and print list. It reverse the entire list. So it print from backward Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Sunday, like that. In the 8th segment we have given print list 1 is to 2. We have to print the odd days of the list. Odd days of the list. So we gave 1 is 2 is to 2. We have gave 1. So it prints Monday. If we didn't give anything in the second one. So it prints the entire. So it takes the entire list. The third one is substrate, like that substrate. It skips the two elements of the index. So it prints the first one.